Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Welcome back again, my wisdom warriors. I trust you guys are all doing well. You know, so I have to get right into it. I don't waste no time around here. So, missing is Michaela Manu, age 14 years old. She comes from Banana Ground District, Banana Ground, Manchester. Listen, my viewers and subscribers, I think this is the third person missing, in a Manchester area, Mighty God, she is of brown complexion, slim build, and 160 centimeters, 5 feet, 3 inches tall. Her mode of dress at the time she went missing is not known. She has not been heard from since. My viewers and subscribers, how much time when I see my post missing girls? How much time? Me make sure I take the time out for post them, because too many girls are going missing. And you know the reason why I do it too? The same pastor, he did talk to the parents them. He sent a warning and he said to the parents them, say, parents, anoint on the children. Anyone a pitney I go, make sure so bring on a pitney we don't know. Or do not leave on a pitney at home. I remember. And he said, fi pray and fast. This is what he said. You understand? And I'm going to use my platform to tell all parents, when you hear warning come, you fi take it and do skylark. No laughing business around here. No matter how, listen, no matter how advanced a child is, because sometimes a child look like your child a 15-year-old and your child look like she's 19. You understand? You try and protect on the children. Anyone go as a group. I remember the pastor man come out and said that. And look, see it happen now. A lot of young girls going missing. What is happening in our country? Too many young girls going missing. You understand? And you know what? I want people to start prayer. I want to start praying. I want to start fast. I want to anoint on a pitney. We can't take this no more. Too much kids. Too much young girls going missing. Please, anyone, if anybody see this young lady anywhere in a Jamaica, may I beg you, contact the nearest police station. Wanna hear me? Contact the nearest police station. Too many young girls going missing. Too many. My viewers and subscribers, tell me how you feel about this and put your opinion in the comment section. Hear this. A man was shot dead by gunmen at his home in Linstead, St. Catherine on Monday night. Investigators reported that sometime after 10 o'clock, residents of Sunnyside district heard gunfire but did not notify the police. Wagwan! You can't hear shot a bus and you call the police. Wagwan! Literally, what is going on, man? From you hear shot a fire, you just alert the police. Mighty God, man, what really happened? On Tuesday morning, the residents found the body of Mark Walker inside his house with multiple bullet wounds. Investigators reported that the perpetrators kicked off the door to the dwelling and shot Mr. Walker on his bed. Hey, mighty God of Daniel, what is really going on? Me can't so on the ear gunshot, but on not easy. The people them down a Linstead not easy. When the ear shut a fire, shut a bus, and no decide seriously. And I like say the gunman are gonna say, call the police, you can't do it anonymously. And I like say them are gonna know. I saw afraid so till not even help when they can manage to help when the brothers and sisters. Say, I can't even blame the resident in them. Because these days, sometimes not even the police I can't trust. Because you see one we take up the phone and call them, and then same one go call them and say, you call them. No, sir. My viewers and subscribers, this not right. This not right. All of them, it is too much on our small island. It is really too much. If I'm a kidnapping, a crime over this. And then you have We can't even say Anthony Anderson again. Then you have Horace Chang I talk about crime reduce. We spot crime reduce. You don't know how much crime happen? You don't know how much crime happen, my viewers and subscribers. A lot of people get drop out, you know. A lot of people. So when me hear them come out and I say the crime is reduced by 1%, I'm like, huh? Is that okay? It reduced by 2%. Huh? What you talking about? What do you mean crime? You know, some I believe for them statistic though. My wisdom warriors, hat off for the press. I don't believe for them statistic. But according to them, they say the crime is down. You understand? Me not go work with that one there, because I not believe so. Me just don't believe so. You understand? And the gruesome of crime, the way, Lord God, the way all the things that are happen. You know, normal. It is not. Them people are really normal. Jesus mercy. It's full time now, man. Me always come out and I tell me brothers and sisters, we need to unite, man. We have to have self-control, you know. Sometimes people make you get angry, yes, but we have to have self-control, man. We have to have self-control. You understand? Then put weapon them up so we are the worst. You understand me? And that everybody put weapon them up so we are the worst. When it comes to crime, because our island is so small and tiny, and for know so much people losing their lives. And then when name Horace Chang, him not have no crime plan. No crime plan him not have. All him do is sleep. And then he have the audacity, he have the strength to get up in a parliament and tell one big fat lie for Mark Golding. Eh? And that's all in good for, you know. In farmer, you know, that's all in good for. Get up and I tell lie for Mark Golding. That's all him good for the Horace Chang. Sleep. No nothing what go on in a crime. No nothing. But when it come to other people business, yeah, when I concern him, he get up and I tell pure lie. That man, Andrew Holness, now jerk them up and shuffle them around. Andrew Holness shuffle everybody and nan touch Christopher Tufton, nan touch Horace Chang, nan touch Everall Warmington. Listen, all Everall Warmington, it's a joke thing. Me telling you. You have some people come and say, oh, we are bringing down the country. No, it's not about bringing down the country. We have to show up the corruption that is going on. Because remember, you know, we have to get rid of corruption. And you only see one company platform and say, we have to get rid of the corruption. Politician them. Him see one come out with, and use his own mouth and say that. You understand me? So full time we get rid of corruption. Too much things is happening. Una tell me say Everall Warmington and no corruption. Look at that. Everall Warmington should never say him a withdraw resignation. All them something a slackness, a joke a prime minister. Andrew Holness, a joke a prime minister. Una hear me? He don't have the guts. He don't have the bars. This a man that can't lead nobody. This is why we have to take him out of power and put in somebody else. We can't have Andrew Holness. You understand? Andrew Holness not make it. Because look on the way how Everall Warmington behave. Look at the way he behave towards the PNP people. You understand? Well, anytime it come to the labor right them, they always get away with things. I remember when Juliet Holness come out and say, anywhere where garbage there, a PNP live there. Nobody no come out and say nothing. PSOJ no come out and call her out. And that what she do? She should have stepped down. She should have apologized to the PNP people. Then may I tell you no, it's a joke thing. Listen, only in a Jamaica alone they can do these things and get away with it. Yeah, under Andrew Holness administration, only in a Jamaica, them have something not right. If Juliet Holness feels say, this is why she behave like that. For somebody who utter out of them mouth, all Philip Palwell, all you know. All your one next one. It come like you forget when Juliet Holness stay anywhere where garbage there, PNP live there, and you take up your friggin' finger and your friggin' hand and boy you gonna second it for she be Madam Speaker. That's why I'm telling you, son. No. Blast it sense. That's why me have to diss on sometime. Because you don't have no sense. This is a woman that should never be Madam Speaker. She is not credible. She not even apologize. This is why she behave like that. Because she get up and call and talk about anywhere where garbage there, PNP live there. And when I look at all in a fair constituency, full of beer garbage. Full of pure garbage. Full of pure garbage, my wisdom warriors. Me are telling about these people. This a woman have to step down. Everall Warmington forget fire. Nobody now say nothing. Uno fi go out and demonstrate about these things. That uno fi do. Uno just sit back and relax. This is why Andrew Holness do as him like. Because nobody don't do shit. Nobody don't do nothing. And listen, so when I come out here and I talk and sometimes I just cuss out on the backside more a while. It's because I want what is best for the country. That's why I do that. Because sometimes they do certain things and it just piss me right off. It piss me right off because I'm like, what the hell? Come on, these people say them love their country. Them no love their country. Number one, them a build up big house in a different country. You can't tell me say you love your country and a build up big house in our next Caribbean. You live in a Caribbean, in a Jamaican prime minister, a build up big house and have businesses in a other Caribbean country. Tell me now, at that the Caribbean island him love, not Jamaica. And the sooner I realize it better for no. Andrew Holness love not Jamaican people. Andrew Holness love taxpayer money. That's all him love. And he always a trick we. And we not get it. I'll know we not get it. No matter how people come out and I'll whole heap of bloggers, I say we learn some jump out. I say Talkie Mine jump out. I say Jamaica Carlos. I say Andre. I say Hot Topics. Jamaica Hot Topics. I say Producer Wayne. The whole of them and more, many more are also aromatic. I say the whole of them jump out and I encourage the people them and I show the people them, even come with, proof and evidence and show them and say, look, this is what Andrew doing. This is not right. And you still can't see. You need to take out the die-hearted and start think as a Jamaican. It's full time. Too much things is going on. Too much things is happening. Andrew Holness, he don't have a clue. He really clueless. According to Damien Crawford, he really clueless for true. He really clueless, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? But, you tell me what you think about this, the whole thing. You tell me how you really feel about this and put it in the comment section. Opposition spokespersons on social transformation and social protection, Patricia Duncan Sutherland, is rejecting the idea being considered by Labour and Social Security Minister Pernell Charles Jr. that would see councillors and members of Parliament play a role in the selection of PATH beneficiaries. I disagree with that. I disagree. I want to Labour right them. Anywhere money there, you don't want there. You don't want to get involved. I disagree. Why the MP and councillors want to play a role in the PATH beneficiaries? Why? No. Number one, remember what Everall Warmington say? You know, remember how Everall Warmington say now go give them his money like it taxpayer money belong to him? You know, remember when Everall Warmington come out and he say he now give PNP fee money. So wait there. Why MP? Me say anytime it involve money, Labour right have it in there. Why? That is wrong. No MP enough involved in the PATH program. No councillors enough involved in no PATH program. You know what will happen? You know what will happen? If they allow the MP and councillors to take part in it, they might go give it to pure Labour right. And who they know. And it is not right. It is not right. No councillors not involved in a non-part program. No councillors. No MP. And I agree with the opposition side. Reject it, of course. Reject it. That is so wrong. But it's not easy. I want him to Pernell Charles. Pernell go sit down. Oh, I don't know. I don't love money, sir. Why uno want get involved in a part program? Why? Why uno want get involved in the part program? I don't understand. That for sure say uno have a rotted whole thing I do in Jamaica. Uno have no duty uno have a do. Because if uno did busy taking care of Jamaican people, uno come out and talk about uno want get involved. Minister of Labour and Social Security, Pernell Charles Jr. says the ministry will consider allowing parish councillors and councillor caretakers to be part of the process to select families for Path. The ministry's position follows a question raised at a forum on Wednesday by caretaker for the Independent City Division in St. Catherine, Junior Gale. So, my viewers and subscribers, Labour ministry to consider this is why I put up in picture, and read it. You understand? Kamina understand. I know me baffled. Why say they really have nothing for do, They really not have nothing for do. You understand? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, somebody comment, and this is what the person said. So this person said, too much politics will be at play. Get the schools involved. And I agree with this person. My wisdom warriors, it is better if the school and the churches get involved. You don't know that though. It is better because, remember, the school them, they know the pitney them were really in need, You understand? So I think it's best for the churches and school. Not no blasted concert. They not even know the people them. What the MP them was. So I don't know what happened to them. I don't need to go sit down. This person, Taqueen, said, majority of these councillors don't know the people in these communities. They only know names that appears on the voters list. Using councillors or even JPs will be a biased process. I agree with this person. Use school and churches, exactly what I said before, but yet revamp the committee at Path. They only approving friends and friends of friends. That is so true. You understand? So when you hear what the people them say, the people them in the comment section say, get the churches and the schools involved. Not no councillor and not no MP. You understand? This is the best way. This is the best way for the Path program. I don't know what flare up in their head. Everything they want in control of. Everything they want to be in control of. Anyway, they know some money there or some form of money involved. And that's of them there. My viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. My wisdom warriors, I have a piece of video clip for you to take in. I want to take in Angela Brown Burke, She make Andrew Holness know, say, no matter how much you're bad, we're not afraid of you. Hear this?
The Prime Minister has a way of looking at opinions that don't coincide with his as being persons who don't have the country's interest at heart, who working with common sense without intelligence. And I believe that, or fool, I just believe, I believe that when our leaders approach opinions of Jamaicans, patriotic Jamaicans, who have their only interest is a better country, a government that's run on good governance, that drop government badness, a government that doesn't attack individuals who don't agree. I believe when you go down that road that it is bad, it's a bad precedent, very, very bad precedent. And in fact, we have seen throughout all of what has been happening that is the attempt that the government is making. Madam Speaker, overreach of government in today's world is something that everyone looks out for. It is something that we are sworn when we come here to make sure we prevent. We are also sworn to defend the rights of the Jamaican people. And I wanted to say, without fear or favor, that no matter what badness anyone comes in here with, no matter the words anyone uses inside here, you are not going to get us on this side to stop talking about those things that we believe are wrong. We are going to continue talking on behalf of the Jamaican people. And, Madam Speaker, I could not leave this Parliament without putting it squarely on the table, because we are here, every single member, sent here by the good people of their constituency, who have voted for them, who they meet with from time to time, who they discuss their issues with, and who come here, as you say in here, to advocate and to represent. You might feel uncomfortable when it's done, but I'm going to tell you, get used to it, because it won't change.
My wisdom warriors, me say, When I see Angela Brown Burke run out for Andrew, me say, right there, so Angela Brown Burke. Of course, you're not afraid of PNP, not afraid of none of them. No matter you come in at the House of Parliament, a huff and a puff like you want, blow the house down, make them know you're a lady, make them know you're the first lady for opposition side. You understand? Now what them feel like? Me say me like the way how Angela Brown Burke deal with it, and man. Me say me like the way how she deal with Andrew Holness, and everything she say is true. Everything. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me if you don't agree with Angela Brown Burke. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome out. Big up on the nice clean self. I'm out.